To enable the direct video call in Google Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL, we first need to open the Play Store, and we have the Google Meet here. We need to first of all make sure this is updated and installed to the latest version, otherwise it may not work properly. Then open the Google Meet and make sure you've added all of your information, and we'll just allow all of the access here. Once all this is done, we're going to head to the Contacts app, and so we'll look at our contact. So you can see I have the video option. I can tap that, it's going to directly open Google Meet, make a video call. With other ones, I don't have that option. So you need to have a phone number, number one, on the contact, and also that phone number needs to have been added into Google Meet. So the person you're trying to call needed to have Google Meet installed, needed to have set it up just like you've done in this video. And then once that's the case, you can see the video, you can call them directly. Yeah, that's it.